Hello everyone, my name is Naveen. So in this video, I'm going to explain about a simple machine learning project which I heard in recently. So the project is, the title of this project is HoloControl, a gesture-based system to control brightness and volume of the system. So the project is without direct interaction with the system, we can control the levels of the brightness and volume of the system. So first of all, I will show the demo video and then I will explain about the project and the code. One second. So this is the code. So first I will run this code. So webcam is open. So you can see how the levels are changing. So this right hand is used for controlling the volume of the system and the left hand is used for controlling the brightness of the system. See, this is the left hand and this is the right hand, and the right hand is used for controlling the volume. See, when I close these two fingers, the volume is going to be decreased. When I expand these two fingers, volume is increasing. There you can see, you can observe the difference. So when I close these two fingers, thumb and index, the volume is decreases. So when I slowly increasing, the volume also increasing. And this is used for system brightness. So you can see when I close these two fingers, then brightness is decreasing. When I expand these two fingers, brightness is increasing. So you can observe the difference. So simultaneously, you can control both the brightness and volume of the system. So I think to observe the difference. Okay, now I will explain how it works. So I use Python code in this project. So the libraries, some of the libraries that I used in this project is mainly one is OpenCV2. So this is used for video capturing and displaying purpose. And the next one is MediaPipe, and the MediaPipe is used for hand detection and tracking purpose. And this is math, and it is used for some mathematic calculations. And the brightness control used for controlling the brightness of the system. And Pycaw, it is used for adjusting the volume. So these are the some libraries that I mainly used in this project. So I will explain. So get left right landmark is a function which is mainly used for detect and return key fingertip coordinates separately for left and right hands. So, and this get distance function is mainly used for calculating the distance, I mean Euclidean distance between 2 points. And I will show one picture, then you will get a clear idea about it. So it's the hand where there is a 21 landmarks, so from 0 to 20. So I used this thumb finger and index finger, that is the 4th landmark and 8th landmark. By calculating the distance between these two landmarks, I used to adjust the volume and brightness of the system. So if the distance between these 4th and 8th landmark is more, then brightness is going to be increased. So it is mapped with the percentage 0 to 100%. If the distance is more, the percentage of the brightness is more. And the volume is, if the distance is a minimum, distance is less, then the volume is going to be minimum. If the distance is more, the volume is going to be a maximum. So in this way, we can, by using this function, we can calculate the distance, and by using that distance, we can easily adjust the volume and brightness of the system. And this is the function which continuously monitors and maps the result with this percentage of the audio's volume, and also volume of the system. So in this way this projector works. It's a very simple piece of code. So thank you. I hope you all like this project. Thank you. Thank you.